Wednesday the bedding kubo in kubo the air where day. And I mean open bia of course Alan the best oh and any Benadaye and didn't come so oh wow. And so be I think can actually ye pa US for a long time. We cabinet aya binano and kaina just say we Olympics in the also kai. We has ni also kai. If so Olympics ebo has to folk. And Ghana bronze Olympic winning team no. Na team Barcelona no oka ho bi esa na etie enti nei etwebe no endi nkomo yentie nkomo di a oneme edi ye enti nei where are they Bernard Aye eni nu edi nkomo.
Welcome to Ghana's best sports station, Happiness 6.9 FM. Jumedi atunidi where they the brow and names for ne depending the kasa household name Ojidi or the Ghana Premier League emo eboma. Some of the big clubs or Greater Accra, how we say AD in the Ghana Premier League, right there, it's an opportunity to celebrate our great athletes. It's a campaign. We come and pay, and many than a come was say any more come up, any more a year be some some help your mother and your more in their lives to see. And when I did come but ni I. In the AD and Kumoy, and here I want to 3rd April 1973, or clubs say Accra Great Olympics, Accra, so folk to a country second, Emma AZ Akma, SM Befekwa in later lives, every second, and Liberty Professionals. For the national team was a kind, and the Olympic team, every need, bronze, is a kind of Ghana, on the 5th caps, and the senior national team. Yankwe, then Bernard, ni I, including Kumo, Yan the Warrior, and Nabakosem, football. Ben, good afternoon. Oh, Ghana. I say good morning, Ghana. Ha. Now we are waiting. So, then I cook so we are waiting.
Maybe I want to say morning.
Oh,
good morning.
Fantastic. Say bien for you.
A domino dosso. Yeah.
Now we see even if you was here in Ghana and also you're outside Ghana.
No, we were US. We were New Jersey. I was US. New Jersey.
New Jersey, US. Now what's saying? How is the weather? How is everything in New Jersey?
Yes, fine. My best first time we were Maryland, and me relocated to New Jersey. My best New Jersey almost 10 years. I think now and so far so good. The Americans Wayebi, yes Wayebi.
Maryland,
fine.
Maryland, we're gonna put those yes, they won't be hot now.
Ghana for bros to Robert, yeah.
Anyway, but you know, are you still in the football? And you
yeah, I'm still in soccer. Yeah, I'm still. Me want ball here to me because I know Nanya di ma yeah the back of so. It's the ball here. There be a ball here. You know, me here to mama Pepsi and Sanson na me here coaching. I try to bring out young youth. No, me trouble. There me one no. I say me the before. Except if I'm movie, me the man for annual.
Now, coaching the youth is something difficult.
You were managing and I was coaching. But when it comes to coaching, it's not easy because the Aquarabeba program now, Aquaru to me will say, he has no idea of the Oba. So this is where coaching comes in.
Yeah.
And to make us a coaching,
okay. Especially in Kuala
In Kuala yeah.
Now, coaching outside in Kuala in terms of facility and coaching in Ghana, what's the difference?
Coaching in Ghana no. Nyame any talent when it comes to soccer.
Yeah.
And see, no. They were born footballers already. Ghana had but I had no. Where they are still. I had no. situation you see how they perform, how they treat them, how they brought out. Obi was talent in soccer, he don't want to play.
Yeah.
No, no. I said, time now. I see, football. I'm afraid of football for baller. You play football for. And see, I said, no, you need a game from your father. Been I am plan on this. Into our talent there. I don't know that too. So it's not hustling. It's not hustling. Until saying, yeah, way. Yes, starting so. If you are in the paper, you are hustling. You want to play.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
And does it frustrate you sometimes? Say, oh, be a what talent, power, now so. What is that on mobile? Does it frustrate you?
Yeah, it's very frustrating. I mean, you have no talent, and you want to bring out this talent, and in Colorado, sometimes when you're here, no, I'm not catch on parents there. I don't want to play soccer no more. I'm going to basketball or going to American football. Ultimately, he say, "Akwai kita bibi." Waka, ena amusu ahani nkwani ma eneye omukita pawan. See, akwai catch papa say, "I don't want to do this." I don't catch him money say, "This is what I want to do." With all the talent, nobody can tell him anything or her anything.
Yeah.
But this side say, I'm not going to play again. With all this talent, so we are coach that's what you want to say, what is going on? But it is what it is. Coach sometimes frustrate, but me dem account to me who say me ma inquiry frustrating. Omo pro mu dey sika wa. And they say, "Oh, no what talent not say you don't want to do or you don't want to do." I'll try to convince you. If you agree with me and you want to do it, fine with you, fine with me. But if you don't want to do so,
Okay.
Me better they have it too much.
Okay. We come about talent or opportunities sometimes. Definitely see you one kasa beginning and then how I get into football. Around that time, coach football was very popular. One change was also very popular. And to both coach football. How was it for you? Coming across to our getting involved in football.
Oh, good. Miss Sano, and there's one man called Scali. We'll be on him for a long time.
Okay.
Or no, or yeah, as they before the back. Oh, and through that, as maybe now, course now a board one. Those days, not is so far, but my uncle also he was a great football player. His name is Thomas Amo. I'm a friend Gambo. For ball house, for ball, you are ball blaster. On New Year's this year. Oh no, now about as ladies. And me swano me hunu. But me name the course. I'm going to course to me so me be do and me follow as ladies. If me was ladies so no muka ena papa bi ono so wu akọ ono so no mo ye brighty. Course you are a friend brighty. And papa no say was ladies you nya fine mo nti me ba be fa akọ brighty. If papa no be fa be call brighty. Nti brighty na me start say me work akaka. Me work akaka na saa wonken na e bo no so ebi no so be hu mi omo waka. There was a team called Eliali. Great 1984. Now a net small thing. And I make a boy Eliali no su kaka. Me ball brighty na me boy Eliali no su kaka. The home na here they call R35. The former team be R35. Later no mo ye no omo to me din Roland. And they also me ball kaka. In R35 me ball kaka. I do be no. And I say you be ball who said those days some ball Auroras never be ball before the regular team has never be ball. It's just like Ketty Rezano. In the Omo year, he said, third division Roland, almost said, no money, Aurora, no more about 30 razor. They do some no, I'm already studying. That was 1986 going to 87. I'm already studying because almost say Namiswa, still Namiswa. And I know sir I got the talent, so I want to play. The Mrs. Amini me call Dwals, 1987. Only said if I be brain him tell me about Dwals.
Yeah.
Now we have platform be 1989, 91 Starlets, there were group will be. And what I mean, put me the share or tell me about Dwals. People don't know. Most of the players now me know about from 1987 we were Dwals. We were Dwals. Now me ball is just side mad Dwals.
Okay.
Yeah. 87 I want to.
Accra boy, the way you go play drafts. Cape Coast.
Libra. Cape Coast. So I myself I was seeing the talent in me so much. Say, Obika can say me, so I mean to me, why should I sit? No, I got to move on.
Yeah.
That is the downfall of many players in Ghana. Who call her now say, see, oh yeah, now I dear to me. Talent not say.
Yeah.
No. Maybe no, this is something I don't even know anybody in Cape Coast. And that was my first time I called Cape Coast. I went there without knowing no one. Because I do Kotopapa market or I mean who I was any day I mean in the town who's like Kata and I tell me a footballer. And I'm a call Rashid. This year I don't know to board routes. That's what I coach. We need him or coach this year. And I need to call Rashid. And I'm a dying Katrabi. The following day I want to practice with Dwarfs. In Rano. And I'm in the Dwarfs. You see board Dwarfs 2 years.
Bobby.
I'm try me. I'm me at training.
Yeah.
If I'm try, I'm who me and I'm saying no. The talent is there. They maintain me. It's me for 2 years. It's not Dwarfs 2 years. 87 to 89. 89 I'm back.
Yeah.
Back and I'm called Olympic. And also make a ball justify on Christian or Olympic. 89. And I'm farming. I'm farming and my ball is just side. Kakra, my ball is just side. Kaka. And I'm coach. Coach Ebertado. The late Ebertado. And may he so rest in peace, sir. Niba America, Bibia, yes, fan, it's in America, no man, yeah, Hamita, but that's life.
Yeah.
This coach is a real coach. It's a coach, it's not a manager. There are so many coaches there, I call them managers. They are not coaches. But this man, I can tell, sir, is a coach because if he can say something in the player and can bring that thing out, that is why I call coach. He saw me 89 when he came to Olympics. This is what the man did to me. Or see, or friend me now, no be no say, oh, kita bibi womu. But anyhow, to clash your womu. I say, anyhow, no. Anyhow now, ube who the talent, no. And I say, coach, what can I do? And I see, they started practice 7 a.m. and was race course. And I see, the sham is 6 a.m. My God, which coach in Ghana by then do that?
Coach, let's say, train started 7:30, but we brought house 6 a.m. Over no.
And only me do practice at 6 a.m. Coach, you know what that is waiting for me.
Wow.
And this coach, a man who know, when I talk about him, then I start sharing tears. Because it's about time for him to see me. This is the time. Coach Ebertado, wherever he is right now, may he still rest in peace. And this is what happened. The Shana of see, bibia, let's try bibia or bomb, but near too slow, which was good. And that he worked on my weaknesses for that 3 months. I mean, and no man, chance, and was regular team no more. That was my first match I played in Tamale Olympics against RTU.
Even before, that was Odobo game, no, I felt 3 months earlier. Or no,
3 months. 3 months. He was coaching me 1-on-1. 3 months. And after that, he said, "You are good now." He gave me chance to play in the regular team. And Obama me chance though, and I'm compelled to say a crowd because he don't want me to panic.
Yeah, pressure of the supporters in the away game.
The away game, Temale against RTU. Meaning, I wish there is tape. Sometimes the Katasa, we need action. I wish there is a tape we can watch. RTU against the Olympic. Oh well, Temale. We won that game 1-0. And that was it. That was it. And today, Benadai came up. That's it.
Because that the second breakthrough game.
That's it. The second chance they gave me was in Accra Olympics against Power United. And that match against Power United, that match, I was called to join the camp, Starlets 1989 camp in Teshi. And that was it.
Wow.
I made it to the team. So, my brother, there is coaches and there is managers. I always say these things. Coaches were, and the managers were. There are coaches, you call them coaches, they are not coaches, they are managers. I know one of their coach, Onusuwewu. Ono he on best player of ever, ono best training, or best player was being that I call manager. That I call manager. And see, that's how I came to learn life. At least Mama Okatra. That's what I can remember.
Brilliant. I mean, I love it. But
that's how I did.
Olympics at time.
Okay.
Teammates will share Olympics.
Wow.
Who do you play with? Oh.
Wow. Mr. Talented and great players. Who said soccer no? Football no? Yeah, ube nyini edi inkofo no be ball, but a new size ni omo.
Yeah.
So when I started with Isaac Akwe. I met still meaning no contact. You can say anytime. I met Olabode Williams. I met Akwe McLean, the general. I met the late Koblan Asiedu in Olympics. I met Kosibo. I met Ben Kufuor. I met a lot of great players. I met Philip. What is the last name? Philip. Oh, I forget the last name. But I met great players. And when it comes to our age by then, we had a team, the second team, which the reserve side. Another great team. We have Samia J, who became the general captain in Goldfish some time ago when he left the Olympics. We have Afodo Du, we have Abdul Boy, we have Kofi Piwi, we have Raymond Ade, a lot of potential players. A lot. Those are the few I can remember, but it was so amazing to be in that group.
But did you pick anything from some of the great Alcotomo, Olibo Demone, all those great Alcotomo Olympics? Who's your free? Some of the senior players at the time are not great players playing for Olympics. Olabo Demone. Yeah.
I really learned a lot from them. You want to be a great player, first of all, you need to be disciplined. Discipline can take you to places. Yeah. So, the miskia, sound confona me bubo modin discipline. Discipline. And discipline discipline can come in the form of so many types of things.
Mm-hmm.
Time. You see, we are training 4 o'clock now about 4:30. And no, 2 point and over the difference. Me too find the first time I call and I mean say, oh, we can for much time, discipline, your time, and the way you live your life is one of them. Discipline. You know, say you are a professional player. You playing Sunday. Why do you want to go out and go and kill Saturday? Self-discipline. You want to be a great player, you need to have that self-discipline we're talking about. Without that, my brother, you cannot. Many players fall because of self-discipline.
Yeah,
they fall. So, at least, I learned about discipline from almost all the guys that I met on my way. And that thing brought me far. Even now. Me coaching you want to deal with me, you gotta be disciplined because the coach is disciplined. Really disciplined. Ubeba set you up You are part 20 minutes earlier. Must set you up You see the man you are dealing with. Discipline. That thing is helping me out to now. When it comes to sports, you need to have that self-discipline. At least I learned that from the big men.
Fantastic. When you say for an Olympics player, going to have, even though a lot of their players about has, but that easy say Olympics player has. How then did you make that transition from Olympics to house football?
Good. Sometimes, near much mysticism and people cannot believe and or get understanding of it.
Yeah.
It's so simple. This is what happened. Me wa Olympics, actually, me call Olympics, na bibi asti, me uncle bobo, and na me uncle, of Olympics, and of you call us. Into me call justify your pushing. The supporters were, they were hooting at me, Obeko, Mamunjinu, Obeko, just like my uncle. So this is what happened. But the Nyamia Kafa Umudia, so I don't even know how they got to sign me, but they signed me up. So I'm trying to be careful, say, the Omo can Kobamusa. So Obeko. So Obeko is in a genuine way. Obian to me can be. So my dream, that's what is in my mind. But what happened? The free Scotland by we need Ariza call problem. It was not a problem.
Ariza call at the time, no CEO Olympics.
No, our Olympics. Is the boss. Because I did not call one man show. So he's the boss. So this is what happened. On the 20 boys, we went to meet Kasa. You are regular or the bomb match. I say we give bonus. But most of the time, your bonus, you call Ariza for bus stop when I ag. I wish I tell my make Ariza go over to don't take a back for catch them. That's fine. It's still my boss. Me who is a and sometimes the truth, when you tell the truth, it's bitter, but it sets you free. And this time I tell no one, I will tell the truth. Me who was truth class for me play. They say, ain't it? For GSC Ariza for ever come. But you do her the treatment, no. Ube say ojina ho. Wako ho dada. Ube ji usika. Ube kase uche train. Ni Saki do her is going to take Saki. Whoever Akwe McLean, the senior ones no do her is going to call them inside, and then we are still waiting. And I said, no, this is not true. This is not real. I don't care. We were promoted from the junior side, but we are now also playing Olympics. We're playing the regular. That's why we are here getting our bonus. So you can't treat people different from the others. No, we all need to be treated one. So one day I confronted him and I told him what you are doing is wrong.
Hey, do you not play
That is, Minya, those days now me bobo no. I wish people can tell you about me. It's all about the truth. Say the truth in one day. I fear me slow. The only thing that happen is over from that's it.
Yeah.
And I know I can do this job very well. So me slow cry. I can go to Susuridi and start. I don't care. So I confronted the chairman and I told the chairman what you are doing is wrong. That is my problem with the chairman. That's it. So Arizakor makes sure he will get me out from the team. Even though my first Scotland Lambao me a hot cake on the So it went on and put me to transfer. That anything that needs me can come for me. But by that time, me was Scotland, you know, ask for me kata. But na me yet careful say the obuka and obeko obeko and musa. And I was a little bit confused. Say, wait a minute to me, because I said me for 1 year. At least. And I raise a call me for two transfer. A PA or paper, Obi Amako Scotland. I got ball say. Only me to transfer. For what? And then on Yadia, the people need to ask questions. But this is what is going on in Ghana. Minenunka intimi manumbo. Oh, Asimasi Bani inti. Even though it doesn't qualify for that position, they have to put it there. Just kuya ketia. Baby, any section, not only soccer. Ghana, say I don't know kuya ketia. And I raise a call the yimi. Or yimi no. Oh no, me say if you only me go transfer, and I'm catch ask for my errand. It yeah, you baby no. That baby yeah. And I made this sign out. This is how the Olympic supporters did not blame me at all.
Okay.
I'm not blame Bakum saying Amami. The only thing they know is I got kicked out from Olympics. That's all they know.
Yeah.
So this is how it came. It's not money. They don't know what is going on. But that's what happened. Obiamakobo ball was Scotland. Mabano. What is the essence? Why? People ask questions. No. But there were money. I read that things I'm too much. Ordinary Tiami. It is Sokasa. And I said, I don't need to talk. No. Not me. I will talk. The reason why me free Ghana say after soccer no meet in Ghana no, I can't see myself say Obi ya dia enye no na me support no, and the man too quiet. That is what is going to happen. Obi be employ me say me be ya coaching man. Obi a wa employ me no, Obi say no ye me a adwuma na man. Say Obi a employ you no ye adwuma na man. Do you think he's going to respect you?
Debbie. Ombu.
So I made up my mind. Say me who say a Juma need Ghana when it comes to soccer. I don't care about the other side. I'm talking about soccer area, soccer section. No? Me who say they are unprofessional, so I can't deal. I need to get out from this country. It's not me, mommy, so.
The okay say baby no be agene. The Ghana I far coach be some manipulate you pa.
Minya, me see, and now me see me DNA, me Bob Blaster. Me never depend on Bob Blaster about this division in country and all this. And me see me DNA, no so man one there. Obi because say, time I kita abedipele on you want no, we can't even qualify for World Cup.
World Cup, yeah, that's true.
Why?
I don't know you could get any camp in a matter the buy.
Okay.
Because if you are any camp, you won't can't yet obey you camp by your ha.
That is what is killing the national team in Ghana. That politicians don't move your way. You must find back soccer. The sense of I said soccer up to now. Up to now. Ghana soccer is not moving. Minya Obi wa Minister of Safety on Nimbo Mushi, but he had in Ejuma, no astem na Ejuma. Where are we going to get in this game? You can't get anywhere. No way, you can't get anywhere. Me say, there be a back gun and then Yakonya TV so. This is me. Whatever I know, I'll say it. I don't care.
If you didn't come out here, that will be no, even no, but didn't come on. Because we come out and focus on Mutipa, because Ubisa fashion we are so whatever we are, Ubisa we are so
fine. Because they live there. And a DV or DV won't be Kata, he can say it. Alright, Kata. He can say it. Now, Governor Mukanu Kwaran in outside no more.
Yeah.
Where's our gun? I can't buy. You can say, we are doing our radio station. That's it. You're done. We need to have you. And I know Ghana, no. You can't say the truth. A truth now that's a fear. You bet, you bet, you not that truth. No, now you better over.
Yes,
and then Ghana soccer is down because of unequal anymore. That's why. We get it.
I mean, inquire about class selection, any coaching appointment, you didn't quit of any.
It is a time in Ghana. Penny to me after a coach in our country, one player who were London. A player, Numbra. I'm telling you, sir. Yeah, you see a local by then, no, and yet it's I'm doing now what I do. You see a local, you'll be better than those players. You see, your home. It was say. A business.
Business, no way.
Mombra. We will get some percentage for you. Mombra. If these coaches can say the truth. So those that are qualified to play, no, and they bench them. I got you said, Yako wake up. We say to Kwako Kase, a Jani Ayedi, and yet the Apamano.
Hey, Malik 2002.
Oh, back at me say, Yako wake up, and Tom Cruise. Cruise Akase, Ewa German Akase, Ediana Yedin, and Yanuba from to Cruise Akosi. He's the one that is going to play. And on himself, he give where I stand for the players. Say, Musi said, what is a Gianni? They want to kick Oseko for out so that they'll get a chance to bring people. Make their money. It's all about them. It's all about them. Mini Anuma, Amu Bobo, Nase. Mutim say me don't let it bother you. Don't let it bother you. You and I know the truth, and that is it. O ka anukara sema, ugukura, usto no ganya, edenya de bi papa chi.
Yeah.
Enti muma yen kanukara. Don't fear. Obi abewu. Yakumu, obi titawo, not okokuwa. It's not a problem. Everybody will go. Ebia, that is how you will go. That's it. Mamusu, X-ray. Don't worry. Things need to change for the better of Ghana. And you know, the soccer say, soccer not say too much there. How are we going to get back to soccer? Because Ghana is a soccer nation. We need to come back. Let's tackle the issues and make sure we come back to where we belong. That's all.
In your time with Accra Folk, what call was it easy for you to say Obo Ahasufolk? Young player face corner at Nayaba, not the ACSU Olympics now could join Ahasufolk. Let's say.
Me joining us, you know. Now, and easy in a sense, they have their squad already. Ultimately, they have their squad already. And Madavo, that squad, you know, I'm sure say Uti, the musical youth, Uti is
yeah.
You know.
Now, what am I playing the musical youth? Yeah.
Yes. So they have their squad already. So imagine, say, what is the deal? Where are you going to play? Position Ben Obebo. But I determine. Meaning say, hey, I must start it from bench. But my mind is, me to me 5 minutes for park in this one. I'll prove what I have. And it's that determination, no, medical arts, no. I did one. Papa. Papa. I did two. Me do ask, no. Luckily, not less, maybe you, I'm why you're cool. Say, there's issues, say, there's, the day I said, yes, mom, but you're found mom. So they decide not to come. This is what helped me. Until me do one, the first 2 weeks, no. The second week, no, you need heart. You need Olympics. My World Cup. No, UN Cup. Ewa at Sports Stadium. Me nya chance, and I me the boss our game. But for that same game now me boy no. And conform I'm watching that you. That's it. Now they need to come and work and take me out from that position. That's it. That's it. So the determination, me the call us, you know, and then they do one. And I realized that semi that too much. I say how me jinano in Kofofi, it is a semi cow hodia, then I have to double my training. So this is how I made up my mind. And by doing that, so don't say the same thing, the discipline still there working. Yeah. So that's how it's not easy. You might still say it was easy, but it wasn't easy at all. But I made it. Experience no or big but I made it, thank God.
Is it difficult playing for Krasnodar as a player?
That question, a young one I'll be telling you, it's very difficult. Very, very difficult. Because playing for Accra also folk, you know, a better thing about the say, ask no and Kasano, it's a big problem. And if you don't have a spirit, this is what I believe. There's a spirit you need to have as a player to go by that spirit and you can make it in the team. Without that, you can't make it because team listen. Why imagine ask me Kotoko? You are playing under 70,000 or more, and ask is a team. Again, Nyaman Koya Mauno, not sure year. That is your end. But through it all, we managed and played so many years there before we leave. So it's another experience. Playing for us is not easy, but if you can make it and make it afar, no, you will see that it's a glorious house of hope and power.
Wow. Now games involving Moni Kotokono, for you the players, how was camp and for you going to games as a player, how do you set yourself? Because from 2 weeks from now, have big given over to Accra Sports Stadium. 2 teams in now with the 6 points, almost pre-league, you know. Playing in that pressure environment, players and how do you prepare yourself going to games that?
Let me catch you. Team like Kotoko, team like that. What is you see as it work, a player this year, a shini see that. Meaning say what is happening that. I happen that. So these are the team supporters, you know, they put everything in it. So if you do good, the supporters, they are with you. If you do bad, they are after you. So what for situation is there? Tell me a player, they that day, you know, and now that week, you know, what are your experience? How do you go about it? Physically, emotionally, how do you feel? For instance, I get small player, that week, you know, tension to be to me, did it. I'm telling you. Minimum player, as of folk, any goal fees. 1992. Time I'm be a stadium nanura. You can show me one go Minimum player from goal fees. Can say Chirusa or two idea and all the iron no shishi on him. Oh, yeah, to make us out him no obviously.
Present, you are the iron
on him tension. So the feeling, it's not easy, my brother. It's not easy. When you play for us, Ana Kotoko, and that crucial game, no, a duel. The feeling, no, is another thing. It's another thing together. You don't want to experience those things. But when you become a key player, team no more. Now you have the confidence. All you think about today, I need to polish.
Yeah.
Today, I need to give something extra. Today, I need to be there. Carry the team on my shoulder. That's all. But I feel now, I feel now, yeah, the feeling in good ground. What you are compromising that?
Wow.
I'm debating. I'm telling you, this hobby, these are recent players we go on this home. It's not easy. Feeling in your easy crowd.
Has 53 points. Kotoko 53 points. Has in G League in 11 years. This year they want to win it. Who be some me win the league? Don't forget some money Kotoko a Super Bowl in 2 match days. Either enemy. Some win the cup. They know somewhere. And you believe they can win?
They can do it. They can do it. As of folk is a theme when they want to do something now, they come out strongly to do it. Omwanim nyama as say omuye. Nyama yedi to ye na they know it.
But nyama benza.
When it comes to nyama, omo mu GDA omdi wo across of they have their belief. Nyama ye. For me, I was there as a player. But what I saw, each as of folk needs something. I mean, they are like right now, they want to win the league. They go miles. They do everything. They go, I've seen some before. So I believe, say, if they really want to win, and what I know they can do to win there, they will do it. Then they're going to do it. They'll win. Win.
Nema kan pese yedi adi ko nema ne bi so. Ye ko new talk bo mpa ye Jesus ko bo.
Na me treno. Na me treno first of all training. I don't know which coach is there, but the training just this no. You have to be training 3 times. You want to training is the key. And then whatever is behind, is another thing. But first of all, training, we come, I remember the day we playing across the folk in Kumasi. I can remember those days I think we won 2-0. So we were in Lagos, training, morning, afternoon, evening. So training is the key. And then you can come to all those things you call with a me. Yeah, that's their belief. And then you can go. But what you've been doing, that I know, that training, morning, evening, and then motivation from every angle. Yeah, we say, you see, chapter 11 for this way about saying from my players, those are the things I'm talking about. So they continue to do those things. I think players will come out with some effort.
Yeah.
To win. Yeah.
Me sure say match in the band when you about when you will take on it before the game. But
I'm not really following the game, but what kind of
yeah.
who said Say ya league no ha. Me boss Sunday, me boss me last day. Now actually what tournament me call. Me call me rest for 1 month. So I'm going to be free. Me follow. How many matches are car omubewi?
I got 5 matches.
5 matches, so I'll follow.
Okay.
Yeah, and probably sending me link for accounts of how they are doing now.
Yeah.
I'll follow.
Meaning, so what you follow the Black Stars ni Sika Kono, where I'm appointed head coach. What you follow the exploit kakra or
No.
national team anymore?
No.
Okay.
No, me follow a crowd. Me name what is going on with the Black Stars. I heard they qualified for is it Africa?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but I don't know anything about Sika Club. Me name Kasa Chepapa.
Okay.
Sometime.
But because we get this game out, boy, either for Olympics or Hearts before he went to AZ up, man. We got a game, baby.
I went to Europe 93, actually 94.
94, yeah.
And the best game that I make us the bomber, Ebeye Asofo, Arsene Goldfish,
Okay.
1992. Ewo Obuasi, Omubie Lenkley Nano, Omubie Stadium. I can say, and no the best game. If you and yet the best game, but I can say, a game, my boy, me say yes.
In the ball, yeah.
And then my ball, and it's our game. And the funny thing I want to say, by then, not national players, both sides, go fit players, I'm one national team. Any as players, they were national team. Now, you will come back, you will win back.
Okay.
Into almost breaking Friday, saying cup. Na yeni a team yet practice one day. Na yanko bomb matching. So it was a DBIS belt. The who is who. And you won't believe that our coach, so it was by then Coach Adi. Coach Adi was the coach. And also all the tension go before we left the camp. So it was amazing. It's here coming now. Now, Obiya Naju say you need to put some mark there because first of all you need to make sure say Obiya what national team no, and I share that game Bobby Charlton every London by so it was a game you can see say this game can even qualify you for Barcelona. You know, I for me I plan ahead. But I say no, except me make sure say Obiya be who. The drop who cannot be this at what had.
Yeah.
So that's the motive really caused that game. And that game was it was a game that I really enjoyed because to me picture game no crowd for many. It was a nice game.
Play better now, Shana, in the league match, and now was it Akwe and then so Mr. Kushani be hard green power.
Those days, now, Pimpon Manso, a player named Pete Messian was game because Pimpon Manso or tough, really tough, very hard defender to beat. Ukoi Remo, one who the far from or Betty, and the sound of one. Me moi, I don't want to start one place. Yeah, I been say. The other day I was talking to Kozo, so see, lefty album number 8. And me boy, then I me game no thing. You me share number 8 jersey, but then 8 na neighbor.
Yeah.
Me see defender not all tougher. Unyami, because I'm not going to stand in that position for you to see me. No, I'm all over the place.
Okay.
Into I run. Me Dojino. The cover here. Yeah. But Pimpon Manso was a defender. Yeah, can't me defender to Peter Messiah on or no.
Okay. Very interesting. But in that era, DNA ball gun up high Shamokwe and the Jodabra. But that only Shamokwe know the same thing. How special was Shamokwe?
Minya,
Shamo Leda.
Shamo he was a great player. And personally, he was a great human being.
He was a great human being.
Personally.
Great player, yes. But he was a great human being.
Human being. Because he had the human system in him. He loved people. Openipa. Obia. You need to come closer and see who Samo is. Nice person. And I met look, I'm a player. Samo believes me in different ways. But I always tell him you are the best. Mini Samokwe ball match. You call the say anything. You show 2-0. Samokwe share go. Me referee me who me wa park ni so. And I may bomb myself. Me referee me who me bomb myself. Me now can I me bomb myself. Me shageto. Me shageti. Me bomb myself. Because sometimes we say, "Oh, any next year na."
Okay.
That boy was talented. I don't know how to describe Samokwe, but that boy, I've never come across a player like him before. He was a great player, and wherever he is right now, may the Almighty God keep his soul. He was a great player. That's all I can say. He was a great player.
Very well. Because already, young players celebrate you across the country. Because something they should that would be with them forever. They never catch you
up. In Kuala, but nothing. It's very sad. Say here, Ghana soccer, and this is first now. You go through process. Me ball coast. Me ball Munchendi. Me ball third division. Me ball research side. Me ball. It's a process. So before you get to national team, no, what in? But these days, you know, and this Aden, Aparabi was family or no came Kosovo. And on what talent, you know, on do baby, I say about national team, but you left for Sunu. You see managers left for Sunu. You didn't call outside, their third division be on stool here. I'm sorry to say that we got the one of the or America, we got the yeah, but it's a process. Mumma in Kuala and Nini, follow process, you know, from here to here to here to here, and then mature to play for the national team. Say, sometimes they need to be by the national team. Wow, to me, say, wow, national team, nani, blaster. And you say they are not good players, but to get there, no, you need to have some qualities. Do you have it? It's a national team. It's not a regular team. So, we do what I don't just enough. We need to see something different. So, Minya no more, so-called managers, no, build the players. Players, no, more refine, go by that process, no, before they get to the national team. And the players, no, advice, I mean, them, no, discipline. And yet, the main key in their life, without discipline, you cannot get far. You discipline yourself, you determine. You got to have a goal to achieve. You need to have vision to chase and a goal to achieve. All these things that I mentioned come with discipline. So the discipline aspect, I'm going to leave for the kids coming. that they must be disciplined and change their goal. And I'm more.
Well, Nia, I pay anyway, very, very interesting. I've learned a lot from it, especially your honesty and your open up conversation. My that's a part when you think, I'm sure at that time, if you did come more after national team issues, and see Mr. Already a ball plan will be but I pay Ghana for happy for any chief in another spa of when you're in some come on here. You better show the best. So, could be a war, Nippy a board of such a one, but you're quite at home.
Okay, coaches need me that coach is there, my power, see, at least every coach and his style of coaching. Me feel say they did not treat me well, and now say I don't know how to say it, but Obiani your style of coaching. But Semiskia Obina say we didn't get along now. All I want to say is if I offend anybody, any coaches in any way during our time of playing, just forgive me. And one way or the other, no, I have learned something. Me time I coaching me BB at least Mr. BB because now I'm also a coach now. And there are things that I went through with the other coaches that happened through me. But I've learned a lesson from those times now. Maybe people say, you don't like me, I'm not saying no. And see, Obia, me know I hear Juma as a coach, you know. I really appreciate you. I salute you. And may God continue to bless you wherever you are. If you are on this earth, you're still living, may God continue to bless you. And may you flourish with the work you are doing now. I thank you all. I thank you all the listeners. I thank you all.
Way any a year day and any din common Bernard Niaye and any din common member of the Barcelona 1992 Olympic squad. I bought a cross of folk and a great Olympics.
Energy.